Now next is expected questions arithmetic progression. The first one says Miss Sheila visited a store near her house and found that the glass jars are arranged one above the other in a specific pattern. On the top layer there are three jars, in the next layer there are six jars, in the third layer from the top there are nine jars, and so on till the eighth layer. Write an AP whose terms represent the number of jars in different layers starting from the top. Also find the common difference. Then second one is it possible to arrange 34 jars in the pattern is continued? Justify the answer. Then question 3A1 is if there are n numbers of rows in a layer, then find the expression for finding the total number of jars in terms of n. Also find S8. Or B1 is the shopkeeper added three jars in each layer. How many jars are there in the fifth layer from the top? So here, seeing clearly, I can say, okay, first one it says, okay, first term A equal to 3 and AP will be 3, 6, 9, so on till 24 because 8 rows are there. So common difference D will be 6 minus 3, that is 3. Now, in the second question, he said, is it possible to have 34? So, I will be using the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So, AN is 34, A is 3, common difference is 3, and N minus 1, that is number of rows I have to find. So 34 minus 3 upon 3 equal to n minus 1. So 31 upon 3 equal to n minus 1. So 31 uh, if I divide it with if I divide it and find it out, so I will get 10 integer 1 by 3 equal to n minus 1. So I can say therefore it is not possible to have 34 jars in a layer of layer if given pattern continues. Then third one A1 says, see, now the formula is Sn equal to n by 2 A plus n minus 1 D. Sorry, 2A plus n minus 1D. So Sn I don't know, n I don't know, upon 2 into 6 plus 3n, 3 into n minus 1. How 6 came? 2 into 3. So now this will be n upon 2 into 6 plus 3n minus 3. So if I solve it, n by 2 into 3n plus 3. So my general formula becomes 3n upon 2 into n plus 1. Now he has asked me S8. So S8 will be 3 into 8 upon 2 into 8 plus 1. So 24 by 2 into 9. 12 nines are, so that will be 108. Now, the B part he has asked me If I add three jars in each, so AP will be 6, 9, 12, 15. Three jars I am going on adding. So A equal to 6, D equal to 3. So he has asked me A5. So A5 will be A plus N minus 1 D. So A5 will be A plus 5 minus 1 into D. So A is 6 plus 4 into 3. So 6 plus 12. So 18 jars will be there in that. Now, next question says a manufacturer of TV sets produce 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the first year, the production in the 10th year, and the total production in first 7 years. So, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Now, according to the question A3, that is third year, the production is A plus 2D, which is equal to 600, and A7, that is seventh year, it is producing 600 units. Sorry, 700 units. So, now solving 1 and 2, if I subtract both the equations, A get cancelled. So minus 4D equal to minus 100. So D will be 100 upon 4. So D is 25. So I got D as 25. D equal to 25. Now putting D equal to 25 in 1, A plus 2 into 25 equal to 600. So A equal to 600 minus 50. So that will be 550. So therefore A equal to 550. Now, so first answer I got, that is production in the first year is 550 set. That is TV set. Now, the second one was production in the 10th year. So, production in 10th year, A10 will be A plus 9D. So, that will be 550 plus 9 into 25. So, 550 plus 225. So, that will be 775. And the third one he has asked me, that is production, sorry, let me say total production in 7 years. So total production in 7 years. So that will be S7 equal to 7 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 D. So if I put S7, 7 by 2 into 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25. So this will be 7 by 2 into 0, 0, 1100 plus 6 into 25. So if I solve this whole, I am getting 4375. So therefore total units in 7 years will be 437. Now, next question says in a flower bed there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? So, if I read it and arrange it, so 23, 21, third one is 19, so on, last one is 5. So, let total number of rows be x or n. So, therefore, A equal to 23, D will be 21 minus 23. So, that is minus 2. So, AN will be equal to 5. So, according to the formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So AN is 5, A is 23 plus D is minus 2 into N minus 1. So 5 minus 23, as I took 23 on that side and minus 2 I am bringing in denominator, equal to N minus 1. So I am getting 23 minus 5. Minus 18 by minus 2 equal to n minus 1. So minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 nines are. So n equal to 10. So therefore there are 10 rows in the flower bed. Next question is the sum of the first 12 terms of an AP is 900. If the first term is 20, then find the common difference and 12 term. So here given is A equal to 20 and as 12, that is 12 terms, it is 900. So using the formula Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So 900 equal to n upon 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1, that is n was 12. So 12 minus 1 into d. So this will be, sorry, n was 12. So here also I have to put 12. So this will be 6. So 900 equal to 6 into 40 plus 11d. So 900 equal to 240 plus 66d. So 900 minus 240 equal to 66d. So 900 minus 240 will be 660 equal to 66d. So d equal to 660 upon 66. So therefore d equal to 10. Using the formula to find the n terms, I have to find the 12th term. So A12 will be A plus n minus 1d. So A12 will be A. So A was 20 plus 11 into D. Because 12 minus 1 will be 11. So 20 plus 110. So 130 I will get. So I got A12 as 130 and D is 10. Now the next question says the sum of first n terms of an AP is represented by Sn equal to 6n minus n square. Find the common difference. So here first I will find the sum of one term, that is S1. it will be 6 into 1 minus 1 square. So that will be 6 minus 1, so 5. Now I will find S2. So 6 into 2 minus 2 square. So that will be 6 2s are 12 minus 4. So that is 8. Same way S3. So I will get 6 into 3 minus 3 square. So 6 threes are 18 minus 9. So that is 9. So now I got three terms. So common difference D will be equal to 8 minus 5. So that is 3. So therefore I can say a common difference will be 3. Now next question says if the nth term of an AP is 7n minus 4, then find the common difference of AP is 7, 7n minus 4, 4n. So here I can say it is already given an equal to 7n minus 4. So a1 will be 7 into 1 minus 4, that is 3. A2 will be 7 into 2 minus 4. So 14 minus 4, that is 10. A3 will be 7 into 3 minus 4. So that will be 21 minus 4, 70. So therefore D will be equal to A2 minus A1. So that is 10 minus 3, that is 7. So my correct option is A1. So I can say the common difference is 7. Now, here I am asked the fourth term from the end of the AP. So, in such question, the easiest way is write the AP in the reverse form. So, 49 dot dot dot, then minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. So, now see, if you see carefully, the gap is of 3. So, D is 3. So, 49 minus 3 will be 46. 43, 40. Now he has asked the last four term. So I can directly say that will be 40 because I have already got the answer here. Now next question says assertion A, the sequence -1 dot 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 -1 is an AP. Reason says in AP an minus 1 is constant where n is greater than or equal to 2 and n belongs to natural number. So options given to me are both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Third one is A true but R is false. D one is A is false, R is true. So here if I see the sequence -1 is given. So the common difference D will be 0 and then in the reason, so A is right, K common difference is constant. Now reason is saying an minus 1 is constant. N greater than or equal to 2 and n should belong to n, that is natural number. So that is also true. So I can say A option is correct. Now the next question says two APs have the same common difference. The first term of one of these AP is -1 and that of the other is -8. The difference between their four terms. So I can solve this in an easy way like this. Let the same common difference of two APs be D. So first term of first AP is -1. So fourth term of first AP will be -1 plus 3D and first term of second AP is -8. So fourth term of second AP will be minus 8 plus 3D. Therefore, A4 of first AP minus, A fourth of second AP, A fourth of second AP minus A fourth of first AP is minus 1 plus 3D minus minus 8 plus 3D. So that will be minus 1 plus 3D plus 8 minus 3D. So if I cut, that is 7. So common difference will be 7. Now the next question says how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So if you see carefully, the first two-digit number divisible by 3 is 12 and last two-digit number divisible by 3 will be 99. So here I can use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now here an is 99, a will be first number, that is 12, and n I don't know, so n minus 1 into d will be always 3 because I will get the AP 12, 15, 18 like that. So 99 minus 12 upon 3 will be equal to n minus 1. So 9 minus 2 will be 7 and 9 minus 1 will be 8 upon 3 equal to n minus 1. So if I cut 29 threes are is 87. So I can say 29 plus 1 equal to n. So n will be 30. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So the first multiple, see multiples of 4 between 10 and 240, 250 are, see, the first multiple will be 12, then 16, then 20, so on till 248. So again, I will be using the same formula. Here A is 12, D will be 4. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Now the D is 248 equal to A 12 plus N I don't know and D is 4. So 248 minus 12 upon 4 will be equal to n minus 1. So 236 by 4 equal to n minus 1. So 59 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 60 terms. Therefore, I can say multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are 60. Now next question says find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So positive integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. Now here A is 6, D is also 6 and N I don't know. So I can use the formula. See here I am told n is 40. So I can use that technique to find the last term. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. One method is this, that first I find the last term and then I find total, or I can use directly Sn formula also. So both the methods I will be showing you. First I am using the last term method. So an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. So 6 plus 39 into 6. So this will be 6 plus 234. So 240. So you can say last term is 240. So I can write here 240. Now I am not keeping that because I am asked only 40 terms sum. So Sn equal to 40th term will be 240. So Sn equal to n upon 2 into a plus n minus 1d. If I want to use direct method, I can use this one. So, or if I want to use the first method which I used, so I have to use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So, this will be n is 40 by 2 and into first term is 6, last term was 240. So, 20 into 246. 2 ones are 2 20s are. I have cut like that. So 2, 1, 8 and 1, 9 and 4. So 4920. If I use this method, so n is 40 by 2 into 2a. So 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 will be 39 into 6. So this will be directly 20. So 20 into 12 plus 234. So this will be 20 into 642. Again 4920. Whether you use this method or whether you use direct method, this is your method 2. Method 1 is having long steps. Now next question says the first term of an AP is pi. So I can say A equal to 5 and the last term, so L equal to 45 and the sum Sn equal to 400. Find the number of terms. So I have to find N and I have to find D. So here if I use Sn formula, N by 2 into A plus L, so Sn is 400 equal to N, I don't know, upon 2 into A is 5 plus 45. So if I take N on this side, oh sorry, 2 on that side, so it will be 800 equal to N into 50. Now 50 I am bringing on the left side, so N equal to 800 upon 50. So 16. So N equal to 16. Therefore, there are 16 terms. Now, next part is I want to find D. So an equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now, an is 45, that is last term. A was 5 plus n we got 16. So in place of n I can write 16 minus 1 into d. So 45 minus 5 upon 15 equal to d. So 40 upon 15 equal to D. So D equal to 8 upon 3. So I got both the values N and D as 16 and 8 by 3. Now the next question says the first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. So first term means A is 17, AN is 350. Or last term L, both you can write. And the common difference is 9. How many terms? So I need to find N and what is their sum. So Sn, both I have to find. So first An equal to A plus N minus 1D. So An is 350 equal to A plus N minus 1D. D. So D is 9. So in place of A, I am writing now 17. So 350 minus 17 upon 9 will be equal to n minus 1. So 10 minus 7 will be 3, 4 minus 1 will be 3, and 3 upon 9 equal to n minus 1. So if I cut with 9, or if I cut with 3, so 3 threes are 3, 1, 1, 1. 3 ones are 3 nines are 3 threes are 3 threes are 9, 2. So 7. So 27 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 28. So my terms are 28. Now I have to find Sn. So Sn will be equal to n upon 2 into 2a, or I can use directly L formula. Why I should use 2a? A plus L. So here n is 28 upon 2 into A is 17 and L, that is An, equal to 350. So directly 14 into 350 plus 17 I have to do. So 367. Now 367 into 14. So I am getting 5138. So Sn equal to 5138 and n equal to 28. Both the answers I have